This morning, I'm still choosing intention over urgency, still protecting my energy as the value that it is. I'm learning that holding the line can feel lonely, even when it's necessary. Sometimes it looks like distance. Sometimes it sounds like silence. Sometimes it means stepping back. Today, I remind myself, I don't need to endure chaos to be loving. Distance is sometimes the safest choice. I can care deeply and still limit access. This is a work in progress, and I'm allowed to practice it honestly. Today, I choose peace over pressure, again and on purpose.